Hi everybody, my name is Mntwana. Let's get started. So the first question to say here, simplify the expression 8 power 8 times 8 4a divide by 2 3a times 2 power 3a minus 6. So this is more of the exponential application. But before we get started, look, excuse me, always leave a comments, because when you leave a comments, then I know, okay, I have my beautiful family right here who watching this video, so I can continue to make more videos like this. But if I don't have enough feedback, no comments or liking the video, no, maybe nobody's watching this video. Number two, also click the link below. You see what we do for the community. We have a program where we help the vulnerable people, like people with mental illness, or feeding program for the homeless brother and sister. Cause I'm made former homeless baby for 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm proud. Okay, now we go. That's why I go back. Now let's say here, so let's go to the exponential. Exponential will say if the base are the same. For example, if somebody give you x power a x, let's say 3a plus t. Let's say something like that. Look, this means multiplication. So when the base are the same, you see this one is x, and only if there's a multiplication. These are exponential rules. There's like a lot of rules, but this is one of them rules. So if the base are the same, you only write one of, only if they are the same. If they're not the same, nothing you can do. So for now, this is x and this x, we write only one x, and then we take that, we add this one, and that we add them together. And we say a plus 3a plus t. So this is going to be x, a plus 3a equal to 4a plus t. Let me check it more example, for example. How if this was 1? Then there's nothing you could have done, because the rule does not work when the base are not the same. Now let's come, for example, if somebody give you something like that question right there. So first and foremost, only if it must be multiplication. What about division? For example, if somebody give, let's say x 3, and then over means divide by x power 4 or power 2. So if the base are the same and there's a division, you see x and x, and there's a division now, not multiplication, division. So what you do, you only write 1x, because this base and this are the same, and then you take the top number minus the bottom number. You must take top minus the bottom. It's going to become 3 minus 2, and this is going to be x 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Now let's come and solve our question. See how easy it's going to become. Easy. So now we're going to say here, look, this base and base the same, and there's a multiplication here between, so I'm only going to write only 180 because the same, and then I add the power. What is the power? A plus 4a, means this 4a and a. Divide means you can write like this, is accepted because the same. So if you say a divided by b, the same as say a over b. It's the same thing, does not make a difference. It does not make any difference. So we're going to say over this one here, which is going to be, but before we do that, no, let's not jump everything, because a lot of people here are beginners. Divide, I don't want to do like that. Let me just step by step. See, base are the same, and there's a multiplication here, so I'm only going to write one base, which is 2, because the same thing, and there's multiplication, so the law applies. And then I'm going to say 3a plus this, which is 3a minus 6. Okay, always put your little bracket like that. So now this is going to be, but when you, okay, it's going to be 8 a plus 4a equal to 5a. Now this is divide, I'll say over, this is 2. Now 3a plus 3a equal to 6a minus 6 equal. Now if you can look carefully, we have a 2 and 8, but now we can do something about it. I can change this to have like the same base. When you say 8 is like 2 times 2 times 2. So it's like same 2 power 3. 2, but there are 3 of them. So instead of say this 8, I'm going to say 2 power 3, but multiplied by this 5a. Over power 2, 6a minus 6. So the next step here is going to be, check it out this. So this is going to be, look, 5 times 3 equal to 15. So it's going to be 15a. So instead of say 3, 5a, I can simply say 15a. Why do that? Because look now, these base and these base are the same. That's why I brought that 8. So since these are base are the same, I'm only going to write only one base because they're the same, this and that. And then I'll take the top power minus the bottom power. But what we do that, because it's division, base are the same, we write our 2, but since it's division, we do not add the power. We take the top power, which is 15a, minus the bottom power. Right in the bracket always. Okay, so this same is 15a. Now look at it. We must open this bracket from the bottom of this and multiply that for both, because this bracket is for both. So let me say it's for both. So it's going to be 2, 15a, negative times 6, negative 6a. Negative times negative, because this is for the second one, so plus 6. Why? Because it's a bracket, so you must multiply the first one and the second one. Negative and negative, positive a. Now, 15a minus 6a. 15a minus 6a equal to 9a. So 15. Oh, wait. What am I doing here? Sorry. Negative times negative is going to be positive, but it's just a 6. There's no a here. It's just a 6. Positive 6. Now, 15a minus 6a equal to 9a. So I don't have to write, I can simply write 9a. So this is going to be 9a. And then plus our little 6 here. So if we can look careful here, then it's going to be the option number 1. Let's take a time. Like I said, I don't like to make a longer video. Hey, look. And you have to leave a comment, like I say, so I know, okay, my beautiful family, leave your comments. Say, yo, Mntwana, yo, that question was hard. That was easy. Oh, that method. Leave a comments. Let me know. Now let's come to the next question right here. So we have a something. Okay. So now look. First and foremost, whenever you have a, because this is like a fraction in another fraction, there's a division. So according to the law of fraction, you can say, okay, before we go for the law of fraction, okay, this is 3x squared y squared over. Look, what is that common in between? We have a 2, but from 4 I can take out 2. We have a x here, we have an x we can take out. And there's a y I can take out. So I can take 2 and x and y. If I can take 2 and x and y here, I'm going to be left with y. Why do I take 2xy, not only 2x? Because it's common for both. That's what I was just saying. Okay, that's what we're just saying. Which thing is common for both? 2 can be common for both. X can be common for both. Even y, you can take it to 1y because they're 2 and 1y. So 2xy is common. If you take 2xy here, remember this is y squared. It's going to be left with the 1y plus. If you take 2 from 4, we left with the 2. But x and y went out, means there's no more. Now, divide. We go step by step. I can do straight away, but I want to go step by step for the beginner. So this is going to become 6. It's going to be as it is, y power 5. This is x, baby. This is x, man. Don't be no, please. Over. At the bottom, look. Y squared plus 4y plus 4. You can factorize these and say y squared. How do you get y squared? This must be y and y. Y times y equal to y squared. How do you get 4? 4. This must be 2, and this must be plus. That's called factorization. Okay? So instead of saying all of this, we're going to say this, and we say y plus 2 bracket y plus 2. So the next step, my beautiful familiar, we're going to say, look, from the, if somebody give, let's say 2 over 5, let's say, divided by 1 over 6. Mathematical, from the fraction division, you have to say 2 over 5, and then you flip this. This is division, right? It's going to become multiply, and then this 6 is going to go to the top, and this 1 is going to go to the bottom. You flip the second one upside down. So we're going to do the same thing here. Why we did it? Because we see there's a division right here. So we're going to say now, the first one, right there how it is, 2x squared y squared over, right there how it is, the first one, xy, y plus 2, sorry. So now instead of say division, we're going to multiply. And now this is going to go to the top, y plus 2, and then this one here is going to go to the bottom, 6x squared y power 5. So we don't need this stuff here. Let me just erase. So it's not going to bring confusion to us. Okay, so now let's look anything common top and bottom. You see, top and bottom, if you can look careful, since there's a multiplication here, So we can cancel common thing. Y plus 2 is going to cancel the y plus 2 because the same thing. X squared is going to cancel the x squared. This is y squared. Finish y squared from, if you remove 2y here, it's going to be left with only 3 because the 5 is only 3 because y2 is gone. From 5, you remove 2, it's going to be 3. Now we come here. So another thing also, look, this is 2, this is 3. Oh, no, this is 3, my apologies. This is 3, my family, this is 3, this is 3, sorry. Now we say 3 divided by 7 equal to 1. How many 3 and 6? There are 2. So let's write what we have. On top, we left with that y plus 2. At the bottom, I'm left with that 2xy times 2y cubed. So 2 times 2 equal to 4. X is just x. Y times y square. How many y were here? There were y5. Remove y square, it's going to be. No, this is cube. How did I call this? Is cube, baby. This is cube, baby. Finish y cube. And finish y cube means it's going to be left with only with a 2, and I'm truly sorry, y squared. So this is going to be 4x is 4x, and the y, what y? Square. Y, 4xy, I'm sorry, let me write so clear. Let me write here on top. Y plus 2, y plus 2, over. 2xy, 2xy. Bracket. Nothing. Here we said there was nothing, so we left it 2y squared. So this meaning, put them together. So this, let me say, equal to y plus 2, and then 2 times 2 equal to 4. X, there's no other x, so you can say x. Y power 1 times y squared is going to become y cubed. And this is going to be our answer, option number 8. Listen, leave a comments. I don't want to make a longer video. But for that, be safe. Thanks a lot for coming through. I'll see you soon. Okay? Peace and love. Leave a comments, like the video, share, follow me on Instagram. Go to my TikTok, see how I do my dance. I got my dance on TikTok. Go and check how I do my dance, baby.